welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Cooking. Right now we're going to be cooking some food in our outside kitchen. So we're going to do some fried chicken with some white rice. And guys, the sky is really dark right now, and we start to get some rain. A lot. Well, it's not much rain, just a little rain, but the fog is coming in, and the place is very bleaky at the moment. So stay tuned. This is the chicken, guys. We have some vinegar to the water already, so we're going to wash it off and get the chicken seasoned up. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are our seasoning. We have some all-purpose, some garlic powder, some Maggi chicken seasoning, and some jerk seasoning right here.
What is that? Chicken seasoning?
Yeah, that's all-purpose.
Chicken. No one do we go in, we never use Maggi. Maggi don't give food flavor.
Garlic powder.
At the bottom. Money heavy money send that.
Yeah, no, so garlic always smell.
Outside kitchen cooking settings.
So as you can see, guys, this is how the sky is looking at the moment. And we're having a little bit of rain. Not much rain, just a little. Alright guys, so our pot is on the fire. Outside kitchen settings, you know, so we're going to fry some chicken here now.
So we are going in a...
Coat the chicken at the seasoned flour.
Free Melissa. We just have to just
cook some food.
Yeah. Now fresh pan Melissa. So we're going to get Mr. Guyana Travels a link up. The pan for him black.
Alright guys, the chicken is on fire now. Of wind, as you can see, the trees, everything. It's getting really intense.
Brown stew sauce.
Brown stew chicken on the menu as well, you know, guys.
Tell you no order now. We are dealing with personnel. Yeah, man. You see, lockdown, you know, so we're working.
Yes. So send in the order. Yeah. Stew chicken right over here. I'm going bubbling at the pot. But over here we have our fried chicken. Fried chicken over here. And breeze now. Alright, here in Manchester we are having some rain and some breeze, and the sky is still cloudy as usual. Nothing really changed with the sky. We're just getting some rain and some breeze. The breeze is not intense, but
oh no, it's tonight or tomorrow night.
Add to our stew chicken now. Diana Travel in the black.
Yo, the gang can't turn up. I'm gonna link me. You know it's already still. For them time now. My house, they're them foot and they're my foot now. And I appreciate that a lot, man. So I follow everybody channel and show the support.
Alright guys, this is the first batch of chicken. We're on to the second batch right now. The stew chicken is finished also. And this is the rice and peas pot. So we are going to cook some food, man, in the hurricane here. Enjoy ourselves. And nothing else is there to do, so that's a one polar vibe. This is the second batch of chicken. Look at that, guys. Nice and golden brown. Alright, guys, we're at Shelly Rice Island Adventure, you know, for the big chef.
Well.
Nice and Shelly. Stew chicken pot over here. Alright, guys, we are getting the food share out now.
Good food are here. We got